Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things to you because it makes my life happy and true. And I make up really bad little songs. But enough of that. Enough of that nonsense. Welcome to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. I hope that you will like, comment, and subscribe down below. Ring the bell. I've got a future project coming up with Jeannie from Unfiltered 50s. It's going to be announced on January 1st, and it's going to be something different than you've seen from either of our channels, and maybe even something different that you haven't even seen on YouTube just yet. So that's really exciting. So today, I can't wait to do this. This is a look that I'm going to do with the Beetlejuice Recently Deceased Melt Cosmetics palette. And I also got the Weirder and Weirder lipstick to go with it. And I'm totally excited and jazzed. Look how pretty it is. Look at that detail. It's this beautiful lucite, and then the back looks like that. And then you open it up, and it's got this, and it's a scene from the movie. It's hard to see, but the lights help you see. It is a scene from the movie instead of just a clear piece of plastic. And then last but not least, here is the palette, and I'm going to swatch it for you. And the first one is Beetlejuice Paranormal, Draw a Door, and Neurotic. And look at that, beautiful, really, really pigmented. I'm not sure what kind of look I'm gonna do. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to draw from other palettes, but we're going to play around and see. And this is Recently Deceased, Lost Souls, Little Accident, and Bio Exorcist. It's just gorgeous. In this collection, I'm also going to get the Waiting Room palette, which is reds and grays, and I can't wait to get that. I've got that ordered from Sephora. It should be here very soon, so you'll see that palette very soon as well. I am going to start with a little bit of basic stuff from the Proof is in the Pudding Beauty Bakery palette, just to give it a little base. And I'm going to start with Butterscotch in my crease. I have like 2 hairs that are bothering me. And it's just a little bit of shimmer. I didn't really notice that, but it's just a little base to get us started. And I have primed my eyes with some delightful concealer. I don't know why I can't think of these things that I do sometimes. So let's get a brush and get going. I'm going to start with Beetlejuice, and it shows up fantastically. I'm going to put that in the crease. It's beautiful and buildable. And I've got some new lighting. Tell me if you can tell a difference in the lighting. I think you can see things. It's a little more natural looking light. But let me know what you think about the new lighting. I just got it this weekend. And my sweet baby Ron put it all up for me while I was visiting Miss Jeannie at Unfiltered 50s because we were planning on our stuff, which is super cool. And that is really pretty. I am now going to go into Bioexorcist. Ooh, there is some fallout. That was my fault. I didn't put any powder underneath my eye. And it is looking great. I'm just trying to think of my next move. I think I'm going to just kind of alternate between the purples and the greens. I know I want to take Neurotic and put it on the inside. I'll use my finger. Oh yeah. That is gorgeous. I think maybe I'll do a little more of the Beetlejuice and put it up a little higher. Because this is going to be a big, pretty look. I'm just blending it out. Ooh, it's so pretty. Can't hardly stand it. So I think I'm going to go in with a darker purple. So I'm going to go into Recently Deceased. Not going on great with that brush, but I think it might just be that brush. Let me try my finger. Got a little fallout. A little bit of fallout. Let me try a different brush. Okay, I'll just put a little bit over here because that's what I always do. Same thing on both sides. That is not coming up like I want. So I'm going to go into Lost Souls, which is a matte. There we go. Oops. Lost Souls is working great. It's always hard to get my eyes the same because they're different shapes, but this is looking pretty cool. And I know everybody has different shaped eyes. And I think we are getting close to being finished. I am going to take Paranormal here and see if I can get my finger to use this shimmer. Oh yeah. Dynamic. Let's blend this in. Very fun. Very fun look. I'm loving it. So now we're going to take some liner. I'm going to take the Stila liner. And make it great. Cat just about made me jump my line on my eyeliner. Hello, Louie. He almost messed up my eyeliner. But I am cat resistant. And I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara. To finish off this eye look. So beautiful. But is there anything more boring than to watch me do mascara? Oh, I feel so dramatic with this look. Now I'm going to use the Weirder and Weirder lipstick. Oh, it looks a little patchy there. Let me just fix that. A little patchy on the left eye. There we go. And the Weirder and Weirder lip is completely badass. It is a dark, glittery purple. And it's got the softest little tip to it. That's one dip. Can you see that shine? It's a spectacular, spectacular look from Beetlejuice, the Recently Deceased palette. I love this look. I think it's spectacular. I love this palette. I love this collection. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.